Well, got the new Skylanders, but mostly got this one the same. But we always get different ones. Well, if they're the same, you can keep them. Oh, and we get brand new ones. Giants! Okay.
You want to show people what they look like?
This one is a magic one. Oh, this one's water. Oh, this one's mountain. Oh, this one's undead. And this one's a leaf. Oh, and this one's tech. Oh, this one's undead. Well, mostly the time I do. Because if we have too many Skylanders, we can't able to play the game. But if we don't, or if we don't get too many Skylanders, we will be the hero. You know the best we could do. Oh, this is my new game system. It comes on when you push this one, and
Well, which one's the best?
well, all of them will. It's all about Skylanders. The Skylanders live at Skyland, but if they don't, they can't rule.
Well, who controls the portal?
Portal Master Eon. Eon rules the Skylanders, but Chaos, it just took them away. And then the giant Skylanders just came to help.
Why do we have all these new Skylanders in the boxes?
Oh my god, it's winter.
What does that mean?
It means we could open them right now.
But who are they? Why did we get them?
Because they're so special.
Why did we get them, though? You don't think it's somebody's birthday?
It is somebody's birthday. My birthday.
It's not your birthday. It's your brother's birthday, remember?
Oh, it's not my brother's birthday?
I think he would disagree.